Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating an eye look that I saw on Pinterest. I'm going to make this a series where we can recreate fun eye looks from Pinterest or any other source of inspiration using easy techniques. I loved recreating today's look, and if you want to know how, then please keep on watching. I will start by applying concealer on my eyes to make a base for my eyeshadows. Prepping your eye base is important because a good eye base is going to make your shadows last longer. I'll then set my base using a compact powder. This will help set the concealer in place and make the base smooth for your eyeshadows. For the eye look, I'm using this colorful palette from Makeup Revolution in collaboration with Patricia. I'm going to pick this light brown shade on a blending brush as my transition color. Try to build up the transition color in steps. Don't pack your blending brush with the color in one go. This will not help you blend seamlessly and will leave harsh lines. Going in layers will build the color smoothly. Next, I am taking this dark brown shade on a smaller blending brush and I will start blending it just below the transition color. Again, go in layers and build the color as you don't want to end up with extra pigment that is hard to blend. Using a smaller blending brush will give you that precise placement. I'm also taking the shade on the inner part of the crease because when we will be cutting the crease, it's going to make the cut crease stand out even more. I'll be taking the bigger blending brush with the transition color and blending it so that everything looks nice and smooth. Next up, I'm going to cut the crease using a flat brush with the same concealer we used for the eye base. I like to do this head down thing while looking at the mirror to make a stamp on the eyes as to where I need to cut the crease. Using a flat brush will give you clean edges for the cut crease and it's easier to lay down the concealer with it. Once you're happy with the placement, you can start tapping the concealer with the brush to spread it evenly. Next, I'm going to take this bright pink color on a small shader brush and pack this on the cut crease base. I skipped setting up the concealer with a compact or loose powder as I wanted to set it with this pink shadow. This will help the pink shade to look more pigmented and stay for longer. I'll take the small blending brush with the dark brown shade and blend the edges of the cut crease. Doing this will make the transition from pink to brown shade look seamless. After I am done blending the dark brown shade, I'll go back in with the pink shade and gently tap it on top of the brown shade. For the cat eyeliner look, I'm using this matte eyeliner from C2P Pro Cosmetics in the shade Baked Brown. I'll start from the inner corner first and I'm going to extend the liner, forming a cat eye shape. You kind of have to go back and forth to extend the liner. Take your time doing it so it looks aligned with the corner. Try looking straight to the mirror so that you can judge the shape accordingly. For the outer corner, I'm going to create a small wing liner. I'm curling my lashes and then going ahead with this mascara from Essence. Essence Cosmetics has really good options when it comes to their mascaras. They live up to their titles, I feel. Like this mascara, it gives a beautiful curl to my lashes and like my lashes does not come back to my natural shape. It easily comes off with micellar water. For false lashes, I'm going to be using Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Koko. This lash style is a close match to the look we are recreating and complements the cat eye look we are going for. For my lower lash line, I'm going ahead with this eye pencil from Essence in the shade Hot Chocolate. I'll be applying this on the outer and inner corner, leaving a space in the middle. I will then go ahead with this pink eye pencil from the same brand and apply it in the middle. I'll then go ahead with the dark brown shade on a smaller blending brush and smoke out the brown eye pencil on the outer corner. I'm going to coat my lower lashes with the same mascara. That's the finished eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'll be recreating 2 more eye looks from Pinterest, so stay tuned for that. I've linked all the products in the description box below. Comment down below what other makeup looks you want me to film for you and I'll do it for you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.